Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Driven by Gears. Today we're going to talk about third brake lights. Alright, so if you bought a third brake light that's LED and when you changed it from the original one that has the OEM bulbs, the LED bulbs draw less current, so when you plug it in, the brake lights stay lit up. So I had to dig around on the internet and find out what was the cause for that. And what they were saying was the yellow wire here, you just need to go ahead and cut that off and stop it from lighting up. So if you have that issue with the aftermarket third brake light, basically the black is brown, the ground, the red is the actual brake lights, and the white is the white cargo lighting. So you don't even need the yellow unless this thing has a running light all the time, which this is not a running light. So I noticed when I plugged it in, it just stayed lit up. So this will be the fix for it. We'll find out. You see how I plugged it in and now it stays lit up. And if I open the door, it'll actually turn off. See? Because the interior lighting comes on. So what everybody was saying was you take this yellow wire out. So what I'm going to do instead of cutting it is we're going to extract this pin to test it. So now it's not lit up. Brake light. Works. Cargo light. Works. So basically that's all you need to do there. As you can see, just pull the yellow pin out of the connector, and then you can just tape this up or cut it off, whatever, and it works just fine. That'll eliminate the brake light for you staying on all the time. This happens pretty much on any kind of third brake LED option. It's not just for the C1500. So hopefully that gives you a little heads up if you're kind of wondering how to fix your third brake light staying on all the time after an aftermarket LED upgrade. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure and subscribe, and there'll be comments and descriptions below. Read all the way through that, give you some more info, and stay tuned for some more upcoming uploads. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.